Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Phantom Wallet for the first time. Setting up Phantom Wallet for the first time is simple even if you're completely new to crypto. This wallet gives you full control over your digital assets. No bank or middleman involved, but because of that you must set it up carefully, especially when handling your recovery phrase. First, make sure you already have your Phantom Wallet app on your device and open the app. Make sure you have set a strong password already. In the top left, you can find to your profile icon, tap there and go to the setting here. Under here, you can go to the security and privacy as well and make sure your Face ID and authentication is already turned on in the top. Simply toggle it on and that is it. And you can also reset your PIN anytime. And after that, you can receive your cryptos and crypto swap tokens, connect to the apps as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.